Hey everyone, and welcome back. This might sound a little too good to be true. Can you really manifest your desires in just 17 seconds? The 17-second method is all about harnessing the power of focused intention by deliberately shifting your thoughts and emotions for a short burst. You can set the wheels of manifestation in motion. Think of it like planting a seed. The 17 seconds are your act of planting, focusing on the specific desire you want to cultivate in your life. Let's get to it, the 17-second method. Welcome to our channel, and if you're new here, we create mindfulness content with manifesting techniques that work to help you fulfill your goals and dreams. We have new episodes each week and are open to your suggestions for new videos. Think of yourself as a giant magnet. Your dominant thoughts and feelings are like your magnetic field, attracting experiences and circumstances that resonate with that frequency. So, if you focus on lack, limitation, or negativity, you'll likely attract more of the same. But by using the 17-second method to shift your focus towards your desires and cultivate feelings of abundance and possibility, you become a magnet for positive experiences. The 17-second method taps into a fundamental principle of the universe, the law of attraction. Simply put, this principle states that we attract what we focus on. Our thoughts and emotions hold immense energy, and by deliberately cultivating positive thoughts and emotions, we can influence the reality we experience. The first step in this quick manifestation method: develop a crystal clear intention. It is all about a foundation of right intention. And the first step is getting crystal clear about what you truly desire. Take some time to reflect and identify a specific goal you want to manifest. Maybe it's a new job, a dream vacation, or a deeper sense of peace in your life. The key here is to be specific. The more precise your desire, the easier it is to channel your focus and cultivate the feeling of already having it. Vague desires like being happy lack clarity. Instead, focus on a specific aspect of happiness you want to experience. Is it spending quality time with loved ones, achieving a personal milestone? The more specific you are, the more focused your 17 seconds of intention can be. The second step is one you know about. However, in this context, it's extremely powerful, and that is visualization, which is the bridge to feeling. After you've identified your specific desire and intention, engage all your senses in your visualizations. If it's a new job, picture yourself walking into your dream office, feeling confident and excited. If it's a vacation, imagine the sights, sounds, and smells of your ideal destination. The more you engage your senses and details, the faster everything goes. The key here is to focus on the positive emotions associated with having your desire. Feel the joy, the excitement, the sense of fulfillment. The more vividly you can paint this picture with your mind, the stronger the signal you send out to the universe. While holding that positive feeling associated with your desire, stay focused for 17 seconds. Set a timer to help you. Remember, the goal isn't to obsess or force the feeling, but to truly immerse yourself in the emotional state of having your wish fulfilled. Bring back that vivid visualization from step 2 and feel the wave of positive emotions wash over you. Savor this feeling, letting it resonate throughout your being. These 17 seconds are like planting a seed of intention. By dedicating this focused time to feeling the joy and fulfillment of your desire, you're sending a powerful message to both your subconscious mind and the universe. You're aligning your energy with your goal and setting the wheels of manifestation in motion. Some teachings suggest adding 3 more increments of 17 seconds to reach 68 seconds for a stronger vibration. The more you do this, the easier you can focus intently with feeling for the full 68 seconds. Repeating this process throughout the day further strengthens your intention. Begin by practicing and achieving 17 seconds of focused feeling, then add to this if you wish to amplify. And step 4 also contains an important lesson to bring it all together, and that is letting go and allowing, trusting the universe. The 17-second method isn't about micromanaging the universe. Once you've planted that seed of intention, it's time to trust the process and allow the universe to work its magic. This can be the trickiest part, especially if you're used to a more forceful approach to goal setting. Letting go doesn't mean becoming passive. It means maintaining a positive attitude and taking inspired action when opportunities arise. The universe works in mysterious ways, and sometimes the path to your desire unfolds in unexpected ways. Here are some tips for cultivating a sense of allowing and letting go. Practice gratitude. Focus on the blessings you already have in your life. Gratitude keeps your vibration high and attracts even more good things. Stay open to possibilities. Release any rigid expectations about how your desire will manifest. Be open to receiving it in ways you might not have foreseen. Trust the timing. The universe has a perfect timing mechanism. Don't get discouraged if your desire doesn't appear instantly. Trust that it's unfolding in divine timing. By letting go and allowing, you create the energetic space for your manifestation to blossom. Remember, the universe conspires to support you when you align your feelings with your deepest wishes and desires. The 17-second manifestation technique is a powerful tool for aligning yourself with your desires and setting the stage for positive change. Remember, it's not about forcing or manipulating the universe, but about planting a seed of intention and cultivating a belief in its potential. Before I close this video, here are your key takeaways. Clarity is key. Be specific about what you desire. The clearer your vision, the stronger the signal you send out. Feel the feeling. Visualization is a powerful tool to connect with the emotions of having your desire. Immerse yourself in the positive feelings for 17 seconds. Plant the seed. Trust that the universe is working its magic behind the scenes. Let go and allow. Maintain a positive attitude and trust the timing of the universe. Be open to receiving your desire in unexpected ways. Now it's your turn to take action. Choose a desire that sparks joy and excitement within you. Dedicate 17 seconds each day to feeling the fulfillment of having it. Trust the process and watch as the universe conspires to bring your desires to life. So, there you have it. Remember, manifestation is a journey, not a destination. What will you choose to manifest today? Leave a comment below with a positive intention you're setting for yourself, and let's inspire each other. Subscribe for the next episode so you don't miss a thing. Thank you for being here, and until next time, happy manifesting.